Welcome back to How Genanic everyone. In today's video, let's talk about Indeed assessments. If you've been wondering where the Take Assessment section on your profile is and why you can't see it anymore, let me explain. Until recently, Indeed allowed users to take skill-based tests, which were called assessments. These were short quizzes that helped job seekers showcase their skills. But as of October 2024, Indeed has completely removed the section called assessment. If you head over to the support section and look at this article from Indeed, it says right here, beginning in October, Indeed is discontinuing self-server and employer requested assessment. At this time, we're not replacing the assessment tool with another one. This means you no longer have the section where you can find these tests. Now instead, what you can do is make sure your resume is fully updated. If you head over to your profile section, make sure you have added in your resume that is up to date, or maybe have created a resume inside of Indeed. Also, if you scroll down to this section, under the section which says improve your job matches, make sure you add in your qualifications, your job preferences, and a few other details. This way it would be easier for Indeed as well as the employers to find your profile. You can also add in other documents such as cover letters or certificates. This will increase the likelihood of employers finding your profile and you be able to getting an interview. So that was a quick update and a video about job assessments inside of Indeed. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next one.